You gotta do it. Okay, step to the side. You gotta follow what they're doing. Don't forget the arm part. You gotta do the arm part, Cormac. What about the arms? Oh, they're jumping now. He's got good moves on that. Try that. You got your hips, Cormac. Yep, arms up. Do that part. Do the arm part, Cormac. Looks like tree. Looks like tree. Oh, go. Make your own moves. Go. Dance. See, that's your body. Go your arms up. That's your body. Dance like that, Cormac. Arm up. You gotta dance like that, Cormac, and jump. Okay, like that. Walk like you're walking. Go back. Scooch back, Cormac. Yay! Good job, Cormac. Good job.